Hi, I have recently switched to Capture One Pro, and I found that the language of the interface is my system default language. As a matter of personal preference, I like to have my interface in English, just for example to follow some tutorials, also because the Result Hub is still in English to make everything more consistent. And you cannot change the language actually from the preferences of Capture One. I saw some screenshots of the Windows version that you can do it, but not in the macOS version. However, we can still do it using the command line, so I'm going to quit Capture One here. I have the terminal. To open the terminal, you can do Command spacebar and type terminal in the Spotlight. That will open a new terminal for you. Your terminal might look different than this one because I'm using a different shell. So what we are going to use is the default instruction that allows to set a different number of preferences in applications in Mac. And we're going to use the instruction write to set the language to English. As you saw before, my interface was in Spanish. So if I now change this, it will be in English. We can verify that we actually changed this by doing defaults read domain Apple language. I'm going to launch Capture One now, and you can already see it's in English, and all the interface is in English. So, for example, what if I want to set it in a different language? Let's try French. And the interface is now in French. What if I want to go back to the default language? Because for some reason I need to do it. So instead of writing this, we have to delete this. If we try to read this again, we'll get this message saying that it doesn't exist because we just deleted. And that allows Capture One to use the system default language. Hope this was useful. See you next time.